Hi friends, welcome back to my channel now. Today we are going to learn the ninth Arabic alphabet. The ninth Arabic alphabet is Zaal. Let's watch Zaal. Hi, my name is Zaal. 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 You can spell it in English as Zaal. Zaal. It sounds like the soft sound of the English alphabet Z. Z for zip. Zaal, 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 Zaal. How to pronounce Zaal? Z-A-L, Zaal. Z-A-L, Zaal. The words starting with Zaal are Zara means corn, Zahab means gold, and Zib means wolf. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Bye friends.